Hey, welcome back. Today taking a look at another flashlight, the WowTac A2S. You can see it there on the box. And this is the cool white model from WowTac. It's technically supported by ThruNite. What I've kind of figured out is that means that ThruNite is handling the marketing, the packaging, and all the support that goes with it. They may not be the actual manufacturer, or this just may be a off-brand of ThruNite's or a second brand or something like that. But at the very least, this whole affair is backed up by ThruNite. So you kind of know that there's a quality brand behind all of it. Opening up the box, I don't have all the packing material that it came with here, but I just kind of wanted to show you that it's simple, straightforward packaging as you've come to expect. And they do give you a USB cable. That's a good thing. I don't know if you're like this or not, but I've got a ton of USB cables flying around, and it seems like I can never find the exact right one with the right connectors on it. So, you know, they give you this USB cable. That's a big deal. You've also got something else here, and this is not entirely unique, that WowTac or ThruNite includes the battery. But this model, they did something kind of funny, and it threw me for a loop at first. I was looking, where do I connect this to charge it? And it turns out that the charging connector and the charging circuitry are actually built into the battery. So this is kind of a unique battery. I haven't seen these yet, that you can charge the battery directly with a USB cable. There is no special charging circuitry built into the light, and that means you don't have to have something like that will fail on the light. It's part of the battery, and that also means that if you're using this battery with something else, you don't have to find the flashlight in order to charge the battery. That's pretty cool, and the battery is included. And look at this, it's a 3,400 milliamp battery. They didn't cheap out and give you like a 2,000 milliamp amp hour battery or something like that. That's pretty cool. And this is a standard 18650 battery. I've checked it out. It does fit in other devices that use the 18650. So it's not like they're giving you some proprietary thing that you can only use with this flashlight. I thought that was kind of cool. Let's put this back together real quick. And let's do the typical go through the modes. Turning the light on. You turn it on. Hit the switch once. Once again, to turn it off. This is not a tactical style flashlight where you've got a momentary on and off switch like this. It's just click on, click off. To get to the various modes, here's how you do it. There is a Firefly mode, and to get into Firefly, when the light is off, you hold down the button, and now it's in Firefly mode. And that is 0.3 lumens. That will last for 59 days. Now, obviously, you're not going to use this light all dang day, but so you could use it for twice that many nights. That's almost 4 months of light that you would have if you were using this only in Firefly mode and using it all night. It would also come in handy if you were in a cave or something like that and trapped. That's a lot of light for a long time. To get to the other modes, what you do is with the light on, and I'll put it in Firefly mode here again, you hold down the switch and it will sort of cycle through the three main modes, which are in order. The low mode, which is 24 lumens, and that has a rated duty cycle of 1 day. It'll last 1 day on a full charge. Go to the next mode, and that's medium, and that'll last a total of, like 14 hours at 126 lumens. In high, let's go and make sure we're going to high here. That is a total of, 420 lumens and 4.5 hours. There's another mode, turbo, and here's how you get to this. When you're in any mode, double click it, and now you're in turbo mode. That is 1,050 lumens for 2.7 hours. That's a lot of light for a lot of time if you need that much light. And then you have one more mode, and that is the SOS mode. You double click it when you're in turbo, and now it will go to the SOS mode where it is sending the International Morse code for SOS, which is kind of the international help me signal. And that's going to go on for just hours and hours like that. So if you're trying to be found, there's the mode you want to use. So let's turn that off. Let's talk a little bit about what we've got going on here. It is IPX7 rated for water resistance. So if you did drop this in a puddle, or if you were using this in the rain, It would not be failing on you. Very unlikely to fail. It is impact resistance to 1.3 meters. So that's about 4.5 feet. You could drop this onto a solid surface, and it is shock rated and impact rated for that. The light is a very widespread pattern, and that makes a lot of sense because this is a light that, if you haven't noticed it till now, this is designed to be worn in this head mount. Okay? The head mount has adjustable straps on it. It is a rubber mount, or a simple synthetic, I should say, mount, and I much prefer this to a hard plastic mount. This rubbery surface or synthetic neoprene or whatever it is, much preferable to hard plastic. The hard plastic mounts that I have on my headlights, they've all broken, and they all end up being, now they're handheld flashlights because I don't have a head mount for them. So adjustable straps. It's not one of the cheaper ones where you only get the strap that goes around your head. You get the strap that goes over your head as well. And this is easy to get very comfortable on your head. I'm not going to show you a silly picture with me wearing it, but because it's rubber, it also means that this is sort of a friction assembly here, so that you can pretty much move that to any angle you want. Really handy if you're like at a campsite, finding your way around in the dark to another tent, or out to the bathroom if you're doing one of those kind of camping trips where you're in a state park or something, then they've got a bathroom. Or just finding your way around the camper at night if you put it in the firefly mode. Really good flashlight. This one's definitely going to go into my rotation of flashlights. That's the Through Night A2S. It's available from, it's not Through Night, it's WowTac A2S. It is supported by Through Night, and there will be a link in the comments where you can click that link and you can use a code that I'm going to show down there, and you can get a special deal on this light. That doesn't cost you anything extra to use that, and I don't get any money from that. That's just a little thing that WowTac is passing on to people that watch my videos. So thanks again for watching today, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.